Welcome to Tales from World, a magical place where each story brings enchantment to life. The Great Sneezing Adventure. In the colorful Sneezlewood Forest, where trees whisper ancient secrets and the sun loves to play hide and seek, there lived a young bunny named Benny. Benny was always on the lookout for new adventures, accompanied by his best friend, Pepper the Squirrel. One bright morning, while they were near the meadow, Benny's nose began to twitch uncontrollably. "Pepper, do you feel that?" he asked, as a strange tickle grew inside his nose. "What is it, Benny?" Pepper inquired with curiosity. "It's a tickle in my nose. I think I'm going to— Achoo!" Benny's sneeze was so mighty that a nearby butterfly flew back in surprise. Pepper burst into giggles. "Wow, Benny, that was a super sneeze. But why do we sneeze?" Driven by curiosity, Benny decided it was time for a sneezing quest to uncover the mystery. Their first stop was Greta the Owl, who resided in the oldest tree of Sneezlewood. "Greta, why do we sneeze?" Benny questioned after recounting his explosive sneeze. Greta, adjusting her glasses, explained, "Sneezing is your body's way of clearing your nose from annoyances like dust, pollen, or chilly air. When your nose senses something ticklish, it alerts your brain, and then, achoo, you sneeze to expel those irritants." Benny and Pepper were astonished. "So, my sneeze is like a superhero protecting me from tiny invaders?" Benny asked excitedly. "Precisely," Greta chuckled. Keen to learn more, they ventured to the flower fields to meet Lucy the lamb. "Lucy, do you sneeze when you smell flowers?" Benny queried. "Sometimes," Lucy answered, "especially when they are bursting with pollen. Achoo!" As Lucy sneezed, a few petals danced in the air. Pepper chuckled. "It's like a little magic show." Their final visit was to Charlie the cat, known for his dramatic sneezes. "Charlie, does your fur make you sneeze?" Pepper wondered. "Oh yes," Charlie purred, "particularly when I'm grooming. A bit of fur tickles my nose, and achoo! Off goes a sneeze." As the sun dipped below the horizon of Sneezlewood, Benny and Pepper headed home, their minds brimming with newfound knowledge. That night, Benny felt particularly proud of his sneezes. They were not merely sneezes, they were mighty protectors. "Good night, Pepper," Benny yawned. "Good night, Benny. And remember, if you feel a tickle, you're just a sneeze away from saving the day." As they drifted into dreams, they eagerly anticipated their next grand adventure. Thank you for joining us in today's magical journey on Tales from World. If you loved this story, share it with friends who adore tales as much as you do. And hey, Benny would really love if you could subscribe to our channel and share our posts. He wants to be friends with you and continue sharing wonderful stories. So can you help Benny out?